All right, we got in here just a little bit before daylight. Can't do much of a video right now because we're still hunting. Sun's coming up. Cool morning, about 35 degrees down here in the top part of the swamp. So anyway, we're gonna do a little video later when we get done hunting, but right now we need to be kind of quiet. I'll give you a quick tour. It's a doe, a little fawn. No, I'm not gonna shoot him. I haven't shot a deer in years. I might be writing a story. I think she smells me. So that's a young buck, very interested in that doe. And now he chases her. I don't know where her fawn went off to. Hear that? When a deer gets a good whiff of you, I don't care how much scent control you use, them suckers got a nose on them. So that's their I guess their verbal communication. They blow like that, blow and stomp. So that's their way to tell all the other deer that something ain't right out here. So that's the influence of man. Kind of ruins your, I don't know, you kind of think you're slick. Nobody knows you're out here, and then you get busted. Anyway, absolutely beautiful morning. Haven't seen anything since that little buck come in chasing that doe. Leave it to a man to screw it all up. But we're gonna keep on. All right, we on the ground. Went ahead and got down. I got a lot of stuff to do today, but beautiful, beautiful morning here. It's a little too cool for me. My hands are still kind of cold. I had gloves on, but I'm actually using the gloves to hold the camera on an old tree stump, and I'm sitting on what's left of an old rotten tree. Y'all might wonder why I carry this if I don't use it. I don't know. It just seems kind of weird if you get up in a tree and you don't have your bow. I mean, it just seems strange to me. It's kind of like sitting in your car and you don't go anywhere. I mean, I don't think people just go sit in their car in their driveway and don't drive it. So to me, I just bring the bow. It's been years, man, since I've pulled an arrow back. But we are meat hunters. I mean, that's the reality of it. I absolutely love deer. Nothing more than I love just sitting there watching them. But we grew up eating deer. I can't eat it anymore since I got the alpha-gal syndrome. But in our house, that's what we eat. And, we don't let nothing go to waste. And so all of that stuff about horns, yeah, I don't really get that. I'm pretty confident God didn't put them here for their horns. I think he put them here for us to eat. But out here, my head clears up good. The world slows down like I think it should be. Everybody gets in a big ass hurry these days. I don't know where they think they're going. And, I'm looking here, that tree right there, it fell during Hurricane Michael. That one there fell during Hurricane Michael. Hurricane Michael was our friend. And I just like the way everything lays out here. And I got a little creek runs through here, comes from the pond, and just get out here and hang out with wildlife, and not much sign of humans or human beings ever being here. And I wrote a really good piece today. It's been in my head for a while, and I don't necessarily like writing on a phone, but it's really all I got. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. No, nothing big out here today, man. I'm not gonna lay a bunch on you. It's just to kind of give you some insight, show you some beautiful, just a young buck, just being a young buck. Poor old doe, I never did get any footage of the fawn. She was cute, or it might have been a he, I don't know, but it was a fawn. And so anyway, just a little insight, man. This is where it all takes place for the majority of the writings take place out here. And, we're giving you a little peek behind the curtain. And for you that are in other places in the country, you're laughing because I'm saying it's so damn cold when it was like 35 degrees this morning, but it was cold for us. So hopefully you enjoyed it.